Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change Instagram username in PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first thing first, what you can simply do to change your Instagram is to open up the Instagram into a browser. Alright. Then you need to go to the profile section right over here on the left. Then you need to tap on the gear icon that will see the options. Just tap on that and then go to the settings and privacy. Okay. After that, you need to select the personal details option right over here. So you need to select this option and it will open up the Instagram like this. Then from here, you need to select this option and now you will see the username option right over here. So select that username. So as you can see, previously my username was that, but if I want to change it, like first I need to make sure that this username is available. So how you can do that is very simple. Make sure to have a unique user ID. So let's just go with this. As you can see, this is not available, so let's just make it more unique by this. All right, this is not available at all. So how we can do that? Unique. So we can make a underscore, or let's just move like this. So as you can see now, it is showing me that this is available. So then what you can simply do, tap on the done and you will be good to go. So that's how you can simply change the Instagram username in PC. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.